So we were going to take a trip and do some panning, but we've had so much rain in the last few days. Everything's flooded. So we're going to go to a new claim. You can see the roads are washing out. So this is on a main road, so we're actually going to just flag some of this off because it's a little sketchy. All right, I'm impressed. They fixed the road in a matter of a day. No holes. However, it's going to happen again because that hole right there is where all the water washed in on the outside of the culvert and caused the erosion, and that hole is not patched and there's water going in it. So we may see this happen again.